Hello, my name is Deborah Williams. The topic that I will be using for my individual project will be human resource management with the subtopic of downsizing personnel. I will give you a small description of background of downsizing personnel. Downsizing occurs when companies terminate multiple employees at the same time in order to save money. This not only affects the employees who have to leave the company, but also the remaining employees who may fear to be in the same position. Downsizing a business does not always end in a powerful financial position. This can result to employees' confidence and hinder working due to certain employees' expertise being lost. Since downsizing normally involves permanent termination of employment, another method may be involved, like the reduction in work hours available for employees. The current situation with human resource management. Human resource management has developed mostly from administrative and operational roles to one that take part in strategic planning. Downsizing in any business is generally not viewed by employees or management as a positive practice, but the outcome can become rewarding, like staying in business, cost savings, and business strength. While economic indicators show a positive view of the United States economy in 2019, employment of businesses and financial operations is expected to increase 10% from 2016 to 2026, much faster than the average for all occupations. Current situation. I'm going to use two examples, two retail giants out there now that are now in the process, or if whether or not they started already, they have actually started already of downsizing their workforce. The first one is Walmart, and the second would be Ford Motor Corporation. The current situation with Walmart. In 2016, Walmart began the process of eliminating 7,000 back office jobs in an effort to have more staff on the sales floor. Walmart, being one of the world's largest retail chains, first began to lay off 1,000 jobs at its corporate headquarters in Bentonville, Arkansas. The reason is due to Walmart is looking for better ways to operate more effectively and efficiently. The company began laying off 500 more employees around the United States, which started in May of 2019, and then an undetermined remaining amount continued throughout the next several weeks. The plan is to reduce its salaried line by 7,000 people, or 10%, which will cut the hardest in the upper rank positions. The current situation with Ford Motor Corporation. Due to the inability to reach its state profit goals for smart redesign, Ford Motor Corporation plans to lay off 10% of its global workforce. Unfortunately, the popular retail chain must cut an additional 23,000 salary jobs in the near term through 2022 to complete its goals. Ford revealed that 7,000 cuts will save $600 million annually. This would equal about $86,000 per a worker. The Detroit Press reported that Ford planned white-collar layoffs immediately. Over 500 workers in Metro Detroit were told of involuntary layoffs in finance, product development, manufacturing, and purchasing departments. The future status or outcome for human resource. For human resource, the future job market will become quite different to what we have now. There will be many types of efforts that will change the way we presently work, along with the types of jobs that we occupy. Many local businesses across the United States have had no other choice but to downsize in response to the ongoing recession, small revenue, and soaring healthcare and other types of employee benefit changes. The business environment is so unstable to the fact that organizations are subject to follow and adapt to the mighty changing environment. Future outcome for Walmart. Looking ahead in the future, Walmart embraced the idea that it does not matter where a customer makes a purchase as long as it captures the sale. The big retail giant is in the process of inventing the future of shopping by introducing a plan called Project Impact. The big retail giant is introducing this plan, Project Impact, hoping to ensure that the company would remain the number one industry leader. Project Impact is based on three strategic concepts that would improve the benefit to the customer: save money, live better, win, play, show, fast, friendly, and clean. By creating Project Impact, Walmart is presently renovating its stores in the U.S. by widening the aisles, lowering light fixtures, and adding natural light to give customers a much friendlier store. The future outcome from Ford Motor Corporation. To prepare for the next 20 years, Ford is building upon last year's aspirational goals and committing to several new ones as part of the journey to become the world's most trusted company, designing smart vehicles for a smart world. Ford is working on a way to drive human progress by providing mobility and accessibility to all. Responsibility, resources, all raw materials used in all vehicles globally, and use recycled and renewable plastic in all vehicles globally as well. Why downsizing personnel is important for my career. Downsizing personnel is very important for my career in the business field because I now have the first-hand knowledge of what to expect if the situation should occur. I will have full knowledge and great preparation skills just in case downsizing should transpire. With specific downsizing training and education, I now have the skill of professional development that provides adequate teaching and support for those that may be affected. As a future human resource manager, I plan to incorporate the knowledge of how to respond when facing company downsizing. The first-hand knowledge will allow me to incorporate strategy for shifting the original structure to what it has to be in order to keep competitive edge and satisfy customers' needs. As a human resource manager, it would be very important for me to address the facts that should be considered when deciding to downsize or not to downsize, and when to develop a downsizing plan. With enough knowledge on downsizing, I truly gained enough insight into the downsizing effect that will determine the economic welfare of the company plus shareholders.